Hey, what's up guys, it's Lee, and today is a very exciting day. Why is it an exciting day? Well, I'll tell you, it's because my brand new Sony a6700 has arrived on my doorstep, and I'm just super excited to just rip this box open. But I was like, wait, let me make an unboxing video, right? So this is just basically for you guys who love unboxings just like I do when it comes down to new gear. But overall, I'm really excited about this Sony a6700. Initially, I was actually deciding between getting the a6700 or getting the Sony ZV-E10. And I was thinking about the ZV-E10 primarily because it was a little bit cheaper. And, you know, I just really needed a second body primarily for shooting, you know, YouTube video, TikToks and things like that. And I wanted another body for a separate angle. Oftentimes when I'm making these videos, I'm using the same cameras that I'm shooting, you know, my portraits and my weddings with, and I have to kind of take everything out and put everything together and then put it all back away. And so it's kind of annoying sometimes I have to do that, and it's better just to have a dedicated couple bodies that are dedicated to making videos. Now, one of the other things I'm really excited about using this camera for is maybe some portraits as well. So maybe my next couple shoots, I might go ahead and take this bad boy out and see what it can actually do when it comes down to eye autofocus and image quality, all those kind of things, like how fast is it. So I'm really excited about that. If you guys stay tuned, I'm going to definitely make some more a6700 videos as well. And by the way, if you're new here, this channel is all about photography gear, photography tips. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more videos. And let's just jump into this unboxing, guys. And let me just kind of start with spinning this box, of course, just like all the YouTubers do. Overall, this is a really exciting day for me. All right, guys. So of course we got the, you know, regular Sony gear, you know, guides and all that, which we would expect. Opening that up. Then of course we have the handy dandy camera strap. Gotta have that. Let's see here. And then this looks like this is a battery. And it's actually really cool that they're using these full-size batteries. This is like the same battery that I use in my Sony a7 R3s. And so it's the NP-FZ100, which is pretty cool. And for me, this is awesome because it's another battery for me as well. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what's in this little thing. Let's see. Okay, looks like an eye cup. All right. Now the moment we're all waiting for. Now the moment we're all super excited about. All right. Move this box away. Wow. Here we go, guys. The Sony a6700, which they put so beautifully there. Wow. Check it out. And already this is actually a little bit bigger than my Sony a6400. I can really tell the difference just by holding it, looking at it, and the grip itself is actually deeper. It's larger, which is really cool. So I'm digging that. And then already like some differences too that I can just visually see. I mean, definitely the wheel at the top is different. This was there before. But we also, look guys, we also have this element here at the front, which is really something that I see on a lot of full frame bodies. And this was not on the a6400, which is the only comparison I have. I don't know if it was on the a6600 or anything like that. But wow, we got the record button here on top. We've got 1, 2, 3 custom buttons, which is pretty cool. And then looks like this flips out. So that's actually a huge difference. Very huge difference. And you can put it back the other way too. So that's nice. We've got the viewfinder, which is something the Sony ZV-E10 does not have, which really isn't a big deal for me. But if I was going to use it for portraits, I think that it might be something that I might want to have with it. Battery compartment on the bottom, just like we would expect. Nothing on this side. And then on this side, this looks like where we put our SD cards. So we're gonna put our SD card right there. Okay. And then let's check out the bottom. So the bottom looks like there is a mini HDMI port, headphone jack, which is awesome. At the top here, I guess this is a power jack, so you can plug it up right here. And then also looks like you can plug in, you know, any sort of external microphones, which is awesome. Looks like you can charge it with the USB-C, which is nice. Okay. And then of course we got the hot shoe on top. Let's check out that sensor. Oh yeah. Beautiful. So yeah guys, I'm super excited about this camera. I really can't wait to take it for a spin. I'm gonna be coming out with other a6700 videos very soon, so definitely hit the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I put those out. But these are gonna be coming to you very soon because I'm just so excited about this. I'm gonna just start making videos right away. If you guys have any questions or you're curious about anything, definitely go ahead and leave a comment below. I'm super excited to share more videos about this camera with you guys. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.